In this video I will show you how to post a design idea in Photoshop. Graphic design tutorials in Photoshop. Drag a copy this layer. Hide this layer. Select the background layer. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Black and White. Follow these settings. Unhide this layer. Go to Rectangular Marquee Selection tool. Select this area. Add a mask. Right-click and choose the blending option. Click on Stroke. Adjust the stroke size. Click on Drop Shadow. Press OK. Click this indicates layer mask is linked to layer. Unhide the text layer. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.